Good morning. Welcome to week 7 of online finite math. So week 7, there's no new material. It is a review of the first, semester, first half of the semester, and you have a homework 8, which is a review for the midterm, and you have a practice midterm, as well as a midterm quiz. Now, a lot of questions get asked, what's graded here and what's not graded? Well, the homework is going to be graded, and so is the midterm quiz. Those are both graded. The one that's not graded is the practice midterm test. Now, one thing I will tell you about that practice midterm test is even though it's not graded, students constantly are telling me that it was extremely useful in helping them study for the midterm. So even though it's not graded, I know that's usually an indication that, hey, I'm not going to do it. This will help you out a ton. So do this as much as you need to and really do well on this before you take your midterm. I can't stress how important it is. There's a discussion the next week after that where students will basically say what they learned in the first half and what they wish they would have done differently. And everyone says, I really enjoyed having that practice test that helped out a lot. So please do it. You also get to make a formula sheet. Your formula sheet can be front and back and can be really anything you want. You can put formulas on it, you can put an example on it. It's your piece of paper for whatever you need it for. Okay, and so I also get lots of questions about the midterm. People don't know how long it is. They don't know what they need to have on it. And if we go over here to class sessions and then down to midterm exam, yeah, all this information is up here. Okay, your midterm is going to be 15 questions, 2.5-hour time limit. You need to make a appointment 3 weeks prior to the midterm. Okay, so if you haven't done that yet, get on top of that and get that done because you want to make sure you get a spot. You need to bring photo ID, pen or pencil, graphing or scientific calculator, and they'll give you scrap paper, and you can bring your formula sheet. Okay, so this is where all that information is, so make sure you review that, and definitely bring your ID. Okay, they need to know who you are. Make sure that you are the person you say you are, because we don't really ever see you. It's online. So anyway, you got the review going on. Take that seriously. Get all that done, and good luck.